If your school uses Schoology and you and your students have an account, then you can sign in with your Schoology credentials. Click Account Sign In and select the Schoology icon. You'll be asked by Schoology to enter your Schoology credentials as shown here. Approve the Resource Connect authorization. Then you'll have created your account and you'll be signed in. Be sure to sign in with this method whenever you want to access your products. Be aware that if your school has purchased products for you to use within Schoology, you'll log in with the same method by clicking the Schoology icon and entering your Schoology credentials. By logging in with your Schoology account, the product portal will be aware that you are a teacher belonging to the school or district that has purchased the product. More information about accessing products that were purchased for you can be found in the link below.